Story on 102.4 Wish FM.
Today's letter comes from Amy Taylor, who lives in Scoles, who writes, Dear Simon, my daughter is a regular listener to your show, and she told me you were after some ghost-type stories and suggested that I send you mine. This story happened to me about 15 years ago. I was working at the time as a home help for the elderly in the area, and as I have never had a driving license, I always walked everywhere whenever the weather was permitting. Every day, I would go to clean and tend for an elderly lady called Hilda Roberts. She just lived up the hill from me, and I would walk up to her house past Hay Hall. This one particular day, it was the first Monday after the clocks went back an hour for the winter. I was walking up to Hilda's when, as I was passing the grounds of Hay Hall, a chap seemed to appear from goodness only knows where and ask me the time. He seemed an odd-looking sort. I couldn't see his face because his head was covered and he was wearing an all-black cape. I thought this was very odd, but I didn't say anything. I just looked at my watch and said, It's 3:30. He thanked me and went on his way. As he passed me, I looked back to see this man, and there was something very odd about his feet. They weren't feet at all. They were like horses' hooves. I stood transfixed for a moment, watching him go. He just then disappeared into the grounds of Hay Hall. You may think that this is the story, Simon, but there's more. Feeling very shaky, I continued my journey to Hilda's, looking forward to a hot cup of tea when I got there. When I arrived, I let myself in with the key. The time was 3:50. I noticed this because Hilda had a clock on the wall as you went in the living room. Hilda was sat in her chair with her knitting on her lap, staring into space. I went to see if she was all right and found that she was dead. I called the ambulance right away. I didn't know what else to do. They came with the coroner, who surmised that she'd been dead for about half an hour, meaning that she died at 3:30, which was the time that I'd seen the man with the hooved feet outside Hay Hall earlier that day. I am now retired, and I don't walk about as much, but when I do, I will not walk past Hay Hall. I always travel by bus. Yours sincerely, Amy Taylor, in Scoles.
The Spooky Story on 102.4 Wish FM.